I don't put myself in the category of being single or not. Like, I let the cap shit. I ain't got time for that. Hey, look, Harry, where you at? Hey, look, but that shit you and bruh did so far, shawty. You and Tip, that motherfucker going crazy. Me and Mitchell just listening to that shit. I'm finna come to the city for like 2 months, 3 months and just come fuck around. Lil Dunk, what's up, bro? Hell nah. Like, nothing at all. What's your average time to make a beat? Nigga, shit, that shit take me, it depends on how I'm feeling. That shit don't take me shit to go crazy for real. Nigga, do this. Man, Metro don't come out his cave, bro. That man make eat, sleep, shit beats, man. That's why he the greatest producer to do this shit. No cap. You a funny nigga, bro. Nigga here to my some shit. Like, come on, bro. Like, y'all niggas is extra, bro. You know what I want you niggas to do? I want you niggas to be on that motherfucker acting like y'all so tough. When y'all see a nigga out, don't be a groupie. Don't be trying to take pictures and shit like that. I want y'all niggas to approach me the same way y'all niggas be approaching niggas on the internet and see how this shit go. You feel me? Cause I ain't the average. I ain't like them other niggas. You feel me? Just keep that same energy. Don't get on, like, don't see me and be on, damn, I just seen 808. None of that. Keep that same energy. Don't switch it up. You feel me? I'm out, though. I was just getting on here.